Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share latest job openings from Lancesoft. They are hiring experienced US recruiters like IT, pharma, scientific, non-IT and engineering recruiters. So you should have up to 6 months to 4 years of working experience, and the job locations would be Bangalore and Hyderabad. So if you want to apply for this position, you can drop your resume on this mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.